Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So friends, there is a good news here. So Twitter is going to hire 2020, 2021 and 2022 graduates for internship and full-time opportunity for site reliability engineering. Okay, and the location is Bangalore, Karnataka, India. So friends, you can see this job was posted 5 days ago, and this is the official LinkedIn page of Twitter. So friends, Twitter, working in Twitter is a dream for many of the job aspirants. So friends, we will be seeing how to apply step by step, what is the eligibility criteria. So please watch the video till the end. And friends, this link will be given in the description, so you can click on this link and then you will be landed to this page. So I will tell you how to apply and what is the salary package, eligibility criteria, everything. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe, because you are going to miss all the updates if you have not subscribed. Many students, they will ask after 15 or 20 days, sir, the link is expired. So definitely the link will not be active for long time, and they have not given the last date of applying. Okay, so you apply as soon as you get the notification, and for that notification, friends, you need to click on the bell icon so that you get all the notification. Now, so the location is very clear, it is for Bangalore, Karnataka, India. Okay, now, so about the job. Okay, so about the job, if you'll see, so location is Bangalore, right, remote. And eligibility criteria, so 2021 internship. So internship program is there for the student those who are graduating in 2022. Full time job opportunities are there for the student those who are going to graduate in 2020 or 2021. So for both of them, the full time opportunity is there. Now, so friends, SWA is a data platform and database. So software engineers, site reliability engineers work on improving the availability, scalability, performance, and reliability of Twitter's production services. Who we are. So you can read about them. Okay. Now, friends, who you are. So this is for us. Okay. So what they are going to expect from us. So excellent knowledge of Python or Golang coding. So friends, Python, many of you will be aware, right? And many of you will be pro in Python as well. So excellent knowledge of Python is required, and Golang is a you can say it's a recent language, and very few people knows about that. So it is a language by Google, right? So Go language, okay, with full stack experience. Okay, now, so friends, if you have a knowledge of Python, and if you know a bit of full stack experience is not actually required. So if you're good at Python and know a bit about full stack, then you can apply for that. Solid understanding of algorithms, distributed system design, and the software development life cycle. So SDLC you should be able to know. Okay, then good knowledge of Linux operating system internal. So friends, I have also uploaded a video on the Linux basics, at least like what are the commands. So basically they will be asking you also the commands and all. Okay, internals, file system, disk storage technology, and the storage protocols and networking stack. Okay, track record of practical problem solving, excellent communication and documentation skills. These are the basic things which every company will be asking. Now, so friends, BS in computer science or equivalent experience. So basically friends, the graduates, so if you are graduating from computer science, okay, equivalent to that IT. So friends, but most of the students will ask now, sir, I am from I have done BCA, MCA, I have done electronics and communication. So a lot of questions will definitely come. So friends, I will tell you what you can do is, so if you are from BTech, MTech, computer science branch, okay, or BCA, MCA, okay, then you please definitely apply for this. And other branches, like if you will tell BCom, BSc, or any other, so friends, there is nothing wrong in applying. You please apply, okay, and leave it. If they feel your resume is good and they will shortlist, then go and write the exam. So there is no question of, sir, can I apply or not? So for applying, you do not have to show them that you are from which background or what is that, right? So everybody apply and then wait for their mail. If you get a mail, well and good. And when they will send the mail, how they will select the resume, that details they have not given. So obviously that also we will not be able to provide you. So knowledge of machine learning. See, this is how the job recruitments are coming nowadays. Okay, fine. Because I don't want to give you any false information, friends. So please try to understand, because lot of queries we get in comment box and difficult to reply to each one of them. Then you need to click on apply. So once you'll click on apply, then you will be redirected to this particular page. Okay, so you can see you will be redirected to this particular page. Okay, and friends, this link will be given in description, so no need to worry about that. Okay, then you have to click on I am interested. So once you click on I am interested, then you'll have to fill the details. Okay, so few details I have already filled it. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to browse your resume, and then first name, last name, your email ID, and then your contact number. Okay, so our contact number is 808845270. Okay, and then you could see, so some of the details it has already taken from the resume. Okay, now, so I'll just try to click on next. Okay, so again I'll be redirected to some other page. So you can see, so interns. Okay, full-time eligibility 2021, 2020 and 2021. What is the expected graduation month? So it's, up to you. So you know better, right? So you can put June, July. Okay, what is your expected graduation year and degree? So I will put 2021. Okay, so you can see, friends, so for there are a lot of options are there for which you can apply. Okay, so these are the options available here. So you can put 2021 others or 2022 others. Okay, which university are you attending? If not listed, select other. So friends, many of you will tell, sir, my university is not available, so you need to select others. Okay, I will select something, Birla BIT Mesra. Okay, I'm not from BIT Mesra. What is your country of study? So that is definitely India, because this is for Japan and Asia specific. If you'll see this page, so this is for Japan and Asia specific. So Japan. All right, so it is for India as well. Now, okay, so I will fill only the important one. Please select the location. So location is okay. So let me see. Okay, so definitely it is India. Okay, now please enter your GPA. So GPA. Okay, if program. Okay, we can see. Please select your grade GPA. So I will select 10 scale. Okay, please enter your GPA. So I'll put 7 here. Okay, then if you have professional work experience, please select the number of years. Okay, so no prior experience, because this is for 2021 graduate as well. Then okay, so I hope okay, now we are looking for talent to build the product, keep us running and promote the business. Where do you want to make your impact? So first choice, so I will fill data, science and analytics. And second choice, design and research. I'm just filling the random value, friends. Okay, do not take me wrong. Okay, so you can fill according to your of this thing. Okay, are you authorized to work in the, okay, now, so again the next important, are you authorized to work in the country? Yes. Additional information, will you, okay, so I'll just random, I'll fill all the important one we will fill. Okay, I don't want to take much time. Yeah, gender you have to fill. Okay, fine. So if there will be any error will be there, definitely please make sure that you answered all the question, mark as required. Okay, so I think something we have missed it. So this is the same kind of error you should be also getting it if anything is missing out. Okay, fine. Now I'll click on submit. Yes, so we have successfully applied, and now we should be able to get, yeah, so your application at Twitter has been submitted. Okay, so improve your applications experience with smart recruiters. So now friends, you need to create a account, and you can go for all these things. So that is the extra things which you will be doing it. So we have already submitted the application, and like this you'll be able to apply for the job. And friends, so salary also they have not mentioned, but be assured that the salary package will be more than 6 lakhs. Okay, so thank you, friends. I hope this video is definitely going to help you, right, for applying for the Twitter. Thank you.